Why are you doing it? For the money? John? This guy wants paid. No chance, he said. You ought to know him better by now. How far was that then, John? It wasn't far enough. No, it wasn't far enough, I'm sorry. It's a good try though, wasn't it? Good try. Now, 25, this thing coming round here, it's aerodynamic. It was an imp. It's more like an elf. No, it was an imp. Woody. There he goes. Well. Well, we need the crane to lift this off the ramp, so I don't think it'll clear the top. There he goes. Plenty of stick. Oh dear. Oops. Hey! Did you see the back go up and down? Very good. Very good. The engine fell out. He hasn't got one. What are you talking about? It was good though. Do we need a Land Rover to get rid of it? Lock the gate. Good boy. Nice one.